everything you see here. The fountain has a low-energy, ultra-quiet pump. The pump comes apart for easy cleaning of debris. All parts are easy to assemble and disassemble for cleaning and replacement. The honeybee goes directly over the filter. The anti-skid bottom prevents the bowl from moving while your pet drinks from it. The pump is very quick to install. The suction cups keep it in place. Feed the cable through the hole on the side and out through the rectangular hole on the bottom. And close up the latch. The cable tucks in nicely to the side of the fountain. The Pet Baby Water Fountain will keep your pet hydrated and